These natural nails have seen better days, so let's protect them with the Fibre Base Coat. This is a multi-purpose soak-off rubber-based coat with additional strengthening properties, closely resembling Bead products. It is currently available in clear, but can be made in color. It was created to assist nail technicians in need of a very hard-wearing product that protects natural nails from brittleness and cracks, yet can still be removed via the soak-off method. So it's ideally suited for nail technicians working with natural nails only and using the soak-off method for removal. It's especially designed for oily or damaged natural nails, and it really is a game changer. Unlike traditional fiberglass products, our base coat is virtually heat-free as it contains synthetic nylon fibers instead of fiberglass, making it an essential choice for working with very soft, damaged nails. It has medium to thick texture, designed to facilitate the creation of a structured manicure. Even though it contains low levels of methacrylic acid, it bonds perfectly with the natural nail with correct application. Please read the caption below to learn more about this fantastic new addition to our product line.